Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Chase online security alerts and device verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Chase online security alerts and device verification, begin by visiting the Chase web. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account dashboard. Look for the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to access your account settings. In the profile settings, locate the section labeled Security and Alerts. Select Security and Alerts to review your current settings. Here, you will see options for managing your security alerts. Choose Manage Alerts to view your alert preferences. You can customize the types of alerts you wish to receive, such as account activity or unusual transactions. Select the alerts that are relevant to you. If you wish to add or remove specific alerts, make your selections accordingly. After adjusting your alert preferences, save your changes. Next, proceed to verify your devices under the Device Verification section. In the Security settings, find the option for Device Verification. Click on Device Verification to see a list of devices currently associated with your account. If you want to add a new device, click on the Add Device option. Follow the prompts to complete the device verification process. For devices you no longer use, select the option to remove them from your account. Once all changes are made, ensure you save your updates. Regularly review these settings to maintain the security of your Chase online account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.